Hi, my name is Sunny Cooks. I'm a singer, songwriter, and music producer from Russia. I work in Logic Pro, but today I'm gonna show you one of my old songs that I created on my iPad. My short story is about 2 years ago, I didn't have all this professional equipment that I have now. My friend told me about the GarageBand app, and I decided to start my producing way with this. Everybody told me that it's unprofessional and it's impossible to create a good sound on iPad, but thanks God I didn't listen to them. During all this time, I released 8 songs. All of them was created, recorded, and mixed inside this app only. And now I can say that even if you don't have a professional studio, even if you have some doubts about this app, just try to do something, because it can give you a great experience. Also, if you are a Logic user, I want to show you how GarageBand and Logic work correctly together. Just imagine, you are not in studio, but you are able to start the sound idea in GarageBand on your iPad or iPhone. And after this, when you are in studio next to your computer, just open the project through your iCloud and continue to work on the sound on more professional level. So let's dive into the project and I will show you everything. We see all the tracks of the instrumental, and this is our vocal part. Let's listen to the sound first.
My heart is burning. It's like a flame. My heart is burning. It's like a flame. I just lose control.
Okay, let's check what we have in the instrumental. Here is our main chords. It sounds like roads. Also, we have the same part here, but just with a different volume. Next line is a piano with very simple melody. It's a classical ground sound, and we have it during all the song, as you see. And final track from our keyboards is a piano part for the second verse of the song. This time I decided to take grand piano. Next important step is strings. You can find it here. And the most interesting thing is the Smart Strings option. If you know the right key of your song, you can set this here. It becomes super easy for you to create a strings part. Also, it feels the power of your playing, what can help you to make it more realistic. Let's continue with the drums. I want to show you how easy you can create it with the help of virtual drummers. There's a lot of different drum players, electronic, acoustic, percussion, and all of them have their own playing style. For my song, I decided to take Mason. You can play with all these options and to choose the right sound for your song. And the last step is Synth. The new version of GarageBand has very famous sound library Alchemy that was only in Logic before. You can find here a lot of cool sounds. For my sound, I used this sound.
My heart is burning. It's like a flame.
Now the time for vocals. I wanted to put more intimate atmosphere in the main words, my heart is burning, it's like a flame. For this, I needed a telephone sound.
My heart is burning. It's like a flame.
You can find it here. And also, you can choose a lot of different options for your audio. For the lead vocals, we have noise gate, compressor, very simple EQ, and different styles of echo and reverb. Let's listen to the lead vocal. I just lose control. Wanna feel your breath on me right now. Also, we have two double tracks here. One for the right side and the second one for the left side. When you make it slow, feel the water on my skin flow down. Tonight I'm crazy. Everything is the same here in the second verse, but also there is a couple of backs. My skin, your touch. Don't talk too much, just dance with me. And let's listen to the main back vocal parts in the end of the song.
It's like a flame. My heart is burning. It's like a flame.
It's like a flame, baby.
My heart is burning.
My heart.
It's like a flame.
It's like a flame, baby. As you see, it's possible to create a sound only in the Zape. Now I want to show you how we can open this project in Logic. Open your iCloud. Find the project name. And click on the button Open in Logic. I already opened this song on my computer yesterday, so let's open the project from here. Now you can see that everything works correctly and you can continue to work on your song. I really hope that it was helpful. Thanks for watching.